These are the beer pong rules, also known as Beirut. You are going to need beer pong balls. They are called ping pong balls, but in our world they are called beer pong balls. And party cups, 16-ounce party cups. You're gonna need if you want to play 6-cup, you're gonna need 12 party cups, obviously 6 for each side. If you want to play 10-cup, like real men and women do, real men, we're gonna need 20 party cups, 10 for each side. You want at least 2 beer pong balls, because sometimes things get rowdy. What you're gonna need, besides that, is an 8-foot table. That's a standard length table. Obviously today we're working with a little bit shorter table, but an 8-foot table is a standard table. That's a regulation size ping pong table, and that is a professional beer pong table size. So, if you want to go a little shorter, you can, but if you want to throw like the pros, toss with the pros, play with the pros, you're gonna need an 8-foot table. Also, you're gonna need 2 other cups, preferably not red party cups, to prevent water drinking. You're gonna need these cups for water cups. So get like 2 larger cups, fill them 3/4 of the way with water. These are your ball cleaning water cups. And you wanna not use party cups because when things get rowdy and when people get wild, they'll end up drinking the water cup, which is full of cat hair and dirt and other things. You're gonna set up in a triangle about an inch, half an inch to an inch from your end of the table. You're gonna set up a triangle of the cups. If it's 10-cup, it goes 4, 3, 2, 1. If it's 6-cup, it goes 3, 2, 1. And then play ensues. You're gonna get opposite your opponent. If you're just playing one-on-one, you obviously just one person on each side of the table. If you're playing team pong, you have 2 players on each side of the table. You're gonna go eye to eye with your opponent, look them right in the eye, and you're gonna go 1, 2, 3. Now this is to determine who gets to shoot the balls first. Say I make the cups, I get both balls, I then get to shoot both balls. There are house rules in beer pong. House rules always go. If you go to someone's house, if you go to a bar, wherever you are, if you go to a party, you play by that person's house rules. There's no question, there's no argument. That person has the rules. If you make a cup, the person must pull the cup. If that cup is made, you pull it. Because if another ball goes in that same cup, the game is over. If 2 balls land in the same cup ever, the game is over. Now, you pull the cup, drink it, put it down, and they're gonna shoot again. If you make 2 separate cups in one go, it's a send back. So make 2 cups, balls get sent back to you, you shoot again, that's a send back. Re-rack rules for 10-cup beer pong go as such. Automatic re-rack at 6 cups. So that's mid-turn, that's any time. Obviously many variations on that. Some people do 2 racks per game, not mid-turn. Some people do re-rack at 6, 4, 3, 2, 1, always reforming to make the game go faster. And then when we get down to the final cup, if you make the final cup, the other person has a chance to rebuttal.